Do you know what today is? It's reapply day. It's reapply day. Okay, anyways. Really my reapply day. It's supposed to be tomorrow. But I'm supposed to be going out of town tomorrow. And so I figured I should go ahead and redo my hair for the week. I think you actually asked about how to apply the butter, so I figured I would show you since I have to reapply it anyway. And I kind of did a length check. I don't think it grew any this month, but I told y'all before that it probably wouldn't grow this month just because I wasn't taking care of myself otherwise, because I wasn't eating and drinking. Hi, Tiffany. So, also, if you don't use enough water, that may cause it to not keep moisture as long. When I reapply my whole head, I use a whole bottle, and this is the fat bottle and a half. So that may be another reason. So, make sure you're using enough water. And make sure you're getting all the strands with the water. And working it in. And then let me find me some butter. I'm heavy on product when it comes to anything. Like super, super heavy. Alright, so this is just a section, and I sprayed it with water like 3 different times, so it should be good to go. And then that's the first amount that I'm applying. And I'll probably grab some more. So I basically mold it almost like like clay. There's some more. It also may help if you break your hair down in sections, if your sections are kind of big or thick. Just because you make sure you want to get like underneath sections so that you're not missing any of the strands. There's more. And this is still just part of one big section. So, like I said, I used a lot. And you see how my hair was like this side bouncy and shrunken up? So when I apply product, it basically, you know, makes it really longer or more stretched. I'm not sure how to say it. More. And like I said, this is still the same little bitty section. Make sure you get the underside. So when you apply your product, even if you have shrinkage before you apply it because of the water, when you apply your product, your hair should stretch out pretty much almost to your true length. And I think mine may actually, because I have buildup. I'm starting to notice buildup too from the butter side. So it's been 3 months. So now I'm just now starting to notice a little bit of buildup. So this side was like this. So now that I have all the stuff on that little section, it basically won't allow it to shrivel back up. So I hope that helped you. I hope when you reapply your butter this time it holds a little bit better. And I actually had one other person, my sister-in-law, who told me that hers wasn't doing it right, but I think she said her problem was she wasn't applying enough product to her sections. So hopefully that's your only problem too. And then the only other thing that I can think of if you're having a problem with the butter is that maybe your hair needs, see how that section didn't get any at first? It's it doesn't have product in this little area. If I wouldn't have split it in half, it would have still been just water in there. And the only product that it would have got would be from like cross-contamination from the other. So make sure you get in between things. But the only other thing I could think, if butter is not holding you by itself, if you're first starting out with Chebe, is that your hair needs to be repaired or something by the powder first. Because I started using the butter after I used the powder first. So my hair I think Chebe repaired my hair a lot. So that may be the other thing. But I would say try more product first. So, yep, that's how I apply butter. Hopefully that helps you and someone else. And like I said, that was a little piece of a bigger section. So you may have to split your sections up. Even if you make it one when you thread or braid it, you may have to split it up just to do product. So yeah, I'm gonna not bore you guys with me doing the rest of my hair. Just wanted to share that little tip with you guys. Good night.